Hey guys, and welcome back to VolatilityTV here. I just wanted to do a quick video here showing you guys an updated video about my ThinkorSwim platform. As you can see here, it is currently August 18th, 2020, and I posted a video earlier on with the ThinkorSwim just, bugging out as it was, and it's just been crazy. So after I posted the video, like a little bit after that, it came back up. I went on, the Twitter and the Reddits and all that, and then I saw a couple of people said it came back up, and it's, certainly on my side it did. However, on my other computer, it still wasn't actually working properly. So I don't know. There's like some systems it works, some it just doesn't work. But for my main trading system that I have, it came back up like around, I'd say 11 o'clock or so, and I was able to actually take a trade. As you can see here, my profit on the day is $93.57, and which is just, it's crazy because like obviously we knew that we can see that I actually missed on this huge gap up in the morning and all this stuff. So yeah, anyways, let's just get into the video. So I am gonna say, I'm gonna give it one more chance. I'm gonna give we understand that there isn't a perfect system. Like, we know that nothing can be 100% all the time, but at least we would need some sort of understanding as to why this is happening. And ThinkorSwim or TD Ameritrade, matter of fact, they haven't issued anything. They haven't said what's wrong with their systems, nothing. So in the meantime, we'll see what happens for tomorrow. I have a system that actually works for myself, and then to go and actually learn a whole new platform, I know it's going to be crazy. So we'll see what the rest of this week brings. And lucky enough for me, I haven't lost any money, so that's just the positive side of things because I know how to trade. And yeah, I just want to show my trades here. So like I said, it came back up like around 11 o'clock or so, and then I was able to capitalize off of this bounce here, off the EMA. And so I was testing it out first. So I got in and then I get out. That was my first trade, and then I got in here a little bit after, wait for the bounce, get in and then get out. And then again we have a pullback, riding the EMA a little bit, and then I got in on this push up and then I got out. I think it was up like $75, and then for some reason, again, the system was still kind of laggy. I ended up just getting in here, and then after these few chops right here, so I got out. This would have been my fourth trade right here, as you can see right here. So 1, 2, 3, and then I got in right here. This would have been my fourth trade, and the system still kept lagging me out and bugging out. So I was like, you know what, trade till I get to $100 and then call it a day. As you can see, it just, on the daily, we can see that the actual chart itself went up right here, 4% on the day. So we know that definitely we missed out a lot today, and it's just, TD Ameritrade is 100% to blame in this situation. But again, it's not like I'm complaining or anything because I'm still green on the day and I haven't lost any money. But I know other traders who have lost a ton of money, and I don't know, maybe they're just going to switch brokers as it is. But for me, I'm just gonna give them some more time. Let's see what tomorrow brings. And yeah, let's just keep it green. Just keep don't even risk it, I would say, because at least for my system, I was able to get in and get out, which is why I tested it at first, and everything seems to be working fine. So $93.57 on the day, pretty happy about that. However, we know that we could have made more money today, but that's not the point. The point is that we haven't lost anything. The process still works for me. Again, once you have a trading process, it's not about the profits, it's about the process. And once that works for you, you know that you're going to be on top always. So good luck to all of you guys, and let me know in the comment section, how did you guys do? Did you guys actually trade after the system came back up? Let me know in the comment section. Yeah, just let me know, because I wanna find out. Yeah, that's pretty much my video. So if you like this video, smash that like button, subscribe, notification button, and all that good stuff, man. You know what to do. This is YouTube, man. You know what to do. Peace.